Breaking news from Dharwad. Lokayukta officials conducted a major raid on the house of Somalingappa, a supervisor in the survey department. The raids were carried out simultaneously at his residence and office following allegations that he owns assets disproportionate to his known source of money. The operations was led by Lokayukta SP Siddalingappa. Searches were conducted at Somalingappa's house in Bharatinagar, his office near Ice Gate, and another residence in Muragod, Belagavi district. In total, 4 locations were raided and a large number of property documents were seized. The Lokayukta police were continuing their investigation into the matter.